Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'll be showing you how to format your date column over here to make sure that it is a date, because sometimes, which I don't have it, if you check out this button over here, you're gonna see the numbers or the dates listed down here the same way that it's written in the column over here. And the thing is, Excel cannot read these as dates, so you won't be able to organize them properly. So what you can do is that you can click on here and then hold shift to choose everything in the column. There you go. And then after that, you head over to data above here on the screen. And after that, you click on text to columns. Just leave it on delimited. Just leave it on that. Then press on next, and then just leave these the check marks as it is as well. Check marks as it is as well, and then head over and click to date, and click how you want it to be formatted. So I'm just gonna leave it at month, day, and year. And then what you need to do now is just click on finish, and you will have the same result as mine. You will see these things here if you click on the drop down button. So that is how you format the dates in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. Check out our other videos for more answers to your much needed questions. This is Generation Unravel saying bye bye.